In this section, we'll learn Kīwaha, Kīrehu, and Whakatauki, idioms, sayings, and proverbs, which gives us an insight into Te Ahurea Māori, or the Māori culture. This Kīwaha, or idiom, is Arero Rua, which means hypocrite. Someone who has behaviour that doesn't match what they say they believe. Arero Rua literally translates to two tongues.
Yeah, like when Tao says he's all about health and fitness, but then I see him at the gas station eating an ice cream. Arero Rua.
Oh man, why did you have to go there? Or like the time you said you'll go to the gym every day, but you have been sitting on the couch watching TV all day. Arero Rua.
Or like the time you said you'll brush your teeth.
Okay, I think they get the point. Arero Rua. Hypocrisy. Hope you enjoyed this lesson as much as I did. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.